The title of this video is The Perfect Business. Something I've been searching for many, many years now. Is there a business that just makes money like a money machine, where the money just comes to you automatically? A business that eliminates all of the problems that you're faced with right now if you're already self-employed? Well, the answer is yes and no. Okay, yes and no. And I'll go into both of those as much as I can right now in a very short amount of time. But hey, just for watching this video, click on the link on this page or go to heytj.net, HEYTJ.net, and get my favorite book, Ruthless Marketing Attack. This is, out of all 63 of my books that are for sale on Amazon, this is my favorite. I'll give you the digital copy, absolutely free, no cost, no obligation, just because you watched this video. And because it's an ethical bribe, I'm looking for joint venture business partners. So, heytj.net, or click on the link on this page. So, I honestly believe that I found the perfect business. I'm going to try to say it to you in as short a period of time as possible, and then just check it out. No cost, no obligation. So the perfect business would require, well, it would let you work at home. That's where I am right now. This is where I do all my creative work. This is the little factory. It actually used to be a factory, and now it's just, it stores all my stuff. You can see, without all these shelves, I would be a hoarder. So I'm a direct response marketer. Mail order has made me, direct, well, that's what we called it when we first got involved in the business almost 30 years ago. But now we call it direct response marketing. And I've generated tens of millions of dollars with direct mail and other marketing methods. And so the first thing the perfect business would have is the ability to work at home. I've been working at home now for almost 30 years. It's great. Before that, I had a business where I always had to be gone constantly. And although that was kind of, that was necessary part of that business, I do prefer to be home. My wife is homebound. My wife hasn't left the house for about 13 years now. She has multiple sclerosis, and so I've got to stay close to home. And besides, I'm kind of a homebody anyway. So I like, this is my man cave, so to say. It's where I do all my creative work, and I like my home. So my life is with my wife. And another thing is employees. Look, I've just gone through a massive downsizing within my company. At one time, not too long ago, I had over 50 employees for my small company, and yes, we were bringing in millions and millions of dollars a year, but it just drove me crazy. It drove me crazy. I just couldn't handle it. I don't like all those employees, and most of them are worthless. Most employees these days, it's not a judgment call, just an observation, are absolutely worthless. They want to work as few of hours as possible and get paid the most money. They don't really care about the company. They have no ability to understand the business. They don't want to understand the business. Yes, they have the ability, but they don't want to. They're always looking for ways to game the system, so to say, to make more money and work less and play on the internet all day long. Look, most managers, most business owners are just high-paid babysitters, and some of them aren't even high-paid. So that's the third thing. It's got to have the ability. So the second thing is little or no employees. Third thing is it's got to bring in massive sums of profits with a minimum amount of time. And the fourth thing is no personal selling. I'm just telling you the most important things, and I'm watching the clock here. No personal selling. I'm a salesperson, but more importantly, I'm a marketer. And selling is part of marketing. There's no question about it. It is a part of marketing, but you need automated marketing systems that do all of the real selling, so that your job is more of a facilitator, or you can hand this off to somebody else. So I believe I found the perfect business. It lets you have the ability to make a six-figure annual income and only work just a few hours a day and choose your own hours, total flexibility, work from home, few or no employees. Anyway, I want to send you information about it. And as an ethical bribe, I'll give you my favorite book, Ruthless Marketing Attack. It's got all of the greatest secrets that I've used to generate many tens of millions of dollars, and I'm just an average guy. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So I want to give this book to you absolutely free. I thank you for watching this video. If you're looking for the perfect business, I believe that you'll be impressed by what I have to show you. And if not, that's great. There's no cost, no obligation. Just go to heytj.net or click on the link on this page. I'll send it to you absolutely free. And thank you for watching this video, and bye for now.